Live from the KFMB studios, you're watching News 8 Morning Extra on the CW San Diego.
Oh, you look good and fresh off of a trip to New York's Fashion Week because she lives in New York. The U.S. editor of Slink magazine, which happens to be a plus-size fashion magazine, Renee Cafaro, got a sneak peek at what's hot on the runway, and she is giving us a look from the runway to the real way. Renee, first of all, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm so glad you're here. So first of all, how was New York Fashion Week?
Crazy, fun, exciting, just exactly what you expect New York Fashion Week to be, celebrities and all that good stuff. But I'm really excited to see that this is one of the most inclusive with diversity, size diversity, race, gender, everything, you name it, more so than any other season. So it's been really amazing and inspiring to see.
So we are going to show a little video of what you sort of pulled from New York Fashion Week as far as looks and colors and things that we need to kind of keep an eye on as far as trends for next year.
Yes. So the trends basically, you know, there's a lot of bold colors. We saw a lot of this in February that was for fall fashions. But now the spring fashions we just saw on the runway last week, it's a lot of bold colors, but every single runway show I saw had yellow. Yellow is going to be the color for 2019.
Okay.
Every kind of yellow from dark marigold, mustard, all the way to, you know, neon yellow. We saw it everywhere. So we're definitely going to be showing some yellow, a lot of bold florals, which are also good for now too. Some leopards, bold prints, and you just can't be for anyone shy. We got some silky, wonderful things that are very luxurious, a lot of silks, a lot of sort of pajama feels as well on some of the runways for those who are doing more minimalist. And lastly, we had some Marc Jacobs and Christian Siriano both showed bold shoulders, just these really large ruffles.
Coming back.
Sometimes they are. I did see some shoulder pads, but the one thing that I liked, which we found a great way of being able to put into your life on a daily basis, was how to do the structured ruffle. Right. There are a lot of structured ruffles, so we did find some great ways to use that. It's a little bit better than the shoulder pad. I'm not quite ready for the shoulder pad.
Me either. So now we're going to take some of the looks that she saw in New York and show you how to incorporate those looks into something you can wear every day. Let's start with Stephanie and Jessica, because you mentioned yellow, and man, this is yellow.
That is yellow. So you might be thinking that's too bold for me, but actually there's a shade of yellow for just about every skin tone. What we have here is we have a modern way of doing it with the jumpsuit. The jumpsuit trend is not going anywhere.
That's Jessica, by the way, in the jumpsuit.
Jessica in the jumpsuit is doing a fabulous job with this. Florals are really great, so that's why we're the silk floral earrings, some floral shoes.
Floral heels.
Floral heels.
Okay.
You know, just something to be fun and playful. So there's sort of the modern, edgy way of doing the yellow in a brighter way. And we have also the darker tones of yellow with more of a sort of 70s flowy sundress look.
Kind of bohemian-ish.
Yeah, exactly.
I really like that. I love that tone too. It really works. It really works for both of them.
Exactly. So there's going to be some sort of yellow you can wear no matter what your skin tone is. So, and the darker tones too are great for now. So fall, we're also seeing some of the mustard yellows, but that's going to be great all the way into the spring.
Okay.
And in the summer. And so also pockets. Can we talk about pockets?
Okay.
I mean, everyone loves to talk about pockets because if you
like
get
a
girl,
fanny pack that's attached to your dress.
Yes, everywhere I've gone, anywhere in fashion, if you can find a girl that has a dress with pockets, like people just go crazy for dresses with pockets. So that's just what's really great for this. So see bright, sunny colors all the way through into summer.
All right, now let's bring up, thank you, Stephanie and Jessica. Let's now bring up Chloe. Now, Chloe has this really cool striped skirt, which was similar to one of the pictures that we just showed everybody that you saw.
Yes, so one of the pictures you saw, that was actually a runway look from last week from Alice and Olivia, who is showing a lot of bold stripes, again, bold patterns. Again, we see the yellow here.
I know she's worked it in.
So I kind of mashed together two of the trends so we can make it something that you can wear to work, wear on a daily basis, and make it more accessible for the average woman to really dip their toe into some of these trends. So we have a silk top here from a brand new company that's actually launching this week called Marais Pourtois. It's a machine washable 100% silk blouse, which makes it so much easier to deal with than most silk. So we love that. So it gives you that silk, wonderful, luxurious feel that you're seeing on the runways.
Where's that skirt from?
And the skirt is from Eloquii, which is a plus-size brand. They have a lot of really great fashion-forward stuff, and with these bold stripes, that looks just like what we saw on the runway for Alice and Olivia.
Saw that. All right, Chloe, thanks. Now, last but not least, let's bring in Sandi, because Sandi, you mentioned that sort of ruffled and textured shoulder, and well, here it is.
Here we go. go. So her look, Sandy here is sort of doing our look for less for Christian Siriano. Siriano was one of the first designers to really put all sizes on the runway. So for a plus size magazine, we love working with him, and we love seeing his signature strong ruffles. Marc Jacobs is also showing a lot of signature strong ruffles. This dress is also from Eloquy, and it's got a very nice ruffle to it. It's bold, but not too much.
It's a beautiful fit.
It's a great little black dress. We know San Diego likes to stay classy, so this is a great way to do so. So this is a wonderful event dress to give a statement without any glitz, if that's sort of more of a modern, fresh take on it. And here, actually, this People Are People bag is actually a designer piece that you can see on the runways, but it's affordable. It's under $200, and you can buy it from Christian Siriano's website. But he is known for having these statements on the runway, and that's sort of his slogan. So I just thought that would be really cool to sort of show look for less, and a way to maybe actually get a piece of the runway for your very self.
I love it. All right, so we're bringing all the models back in for one final look. Really quick, people are going to see these outfits. First of all, where do they get them? You've got a link to the information, right?
Yes, so go to slinkmagazine.com. Slink Magazine will have an article that has all of these, plus some extra things that we weren't able to show today with our florals, and the other things from Eloquy for all sizes. And also on our Instagram, we have at Slink Magazine. You can follow us there and always stay up with the trends. And in November, we will be coast to coast in print in Barnes & Noble.
Fantastic, and congratulations to you on Slink.
Thank you very much.
It's a lot of hard work, and it's paying off. All right, ladies, you look gorgeous. I hope you have some fun brunch plans, because you can't just go home.
Yes, you look fabulous.
All right, thanks for coming in. Eric, we'll get back to you.
Classy ladies indeed. All right.